I think people will be like,
maybe it's in the gutter, but I left my lover. What an expensive fate. Now I got a bellyache.
so this, where you see all this white,
Yeah.
like that's a good thing.
Yeah?
You want to see that.
Why?
Because that means that you have enough product in your hair, it's saturated, so when it dries, it's going to soak it all up. All the moisture, all the nutrients, all that stuff. So you want to see that. That's a good thing. I'm gonna wear it like this today.
Yeah, I like that.
But like you can totally wear it in different ways and like it's easy. It took me 2 seconds to take those out. So even when they're dry, it takes 2 seconds to take them out. Then I'm gonna go in with my pick. This trusty little, my best friend. I'm gonna pick everything out and make it big. So